Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and with popular features. We are pleased to show you the 2011 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.